to add friends in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In Diablo Immortal, if you are looking for a way to add friends, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch open the Diablo Immortal game. Once you're inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap on the hamburger menu. Now in the expanded menu, tap on these two human icons overlapping each other. And then in the expanded menu, go ahead and enter your friend's battle tag in the search bar. If the battle tag is correct, you'll be able to see your friends in this friend list, and you can add them as your friend or send them friend request from the search results. Once your friend receives the friend request and once they accept it, they'll appear in your friend list, and you can easily invite them to parties, dungeons, or raids anytime. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.